Quick note, before we start, I prepared a simple framework that will follow step by step. This method is designed for new accounts. If your current account isn't getting views, don't try to fix it. Just create a new one and follow this guide. Also, very important, one device equals one account. If you get flagged or banned, Instagram may wipe all accounts on that device. Step 1. Device setup. You'll need iPhone or Android. Use a clean device. Either new or fully reset your old one. Now set it up for your target country. Create iCloud, iPhone, or Google account or Android. Choose a country like USA, Germany, Italy. It doesn't matter. Just match your target audience to that country. Set language, usually English. VPN, critical step. VPN is one of the most important parts. Do not use free public VPNs random proxy bots. Why? Because their IPs are dirty. Spam activity scams, adult traffic, illegal downloads. This ruins your account trust instantly. Use a clean, private VPN. I explain this in detail in my Telegram. Important, do not insert a SIM card yet. We'll do that later. Device warm-up. After setup, do not install social media immediately. Let the phone sit for at least 24 hours. This helps warm up the device. Step 2. Account creation and warm-up. After 24 hours, install Instagram TikTok Threads. Now create an Instagram account. Use Gmail, no phone number, no Facebook. Day 1. Scroll the feed, like a few posts from your target geo. Do not edit profile. Don't spam actions. If you do too much, Instagram may shadow ban you. 2 to 3. Like competitor posts, save posts, follow 1 to 2 accounts. On day 3, upload your profile picture. Day 4. Prepare 2 to 3 photos. Post them as a carousel. Do not post reels yet. Day 5 to 7, continue. Liking, saving, commenting. Max 3 per day. Day 8. Critical step now. Set up your bio. Then, open Instagram stories and record something using your phone. It can be anything. This is important because Instagram checks camera access microphone. That's why emulators and anti-detect browsers don't work well. Day 9 to 10. Take a short break from Instagram. Instead, create a Threads account, warm it up the same way. Day 10 to 12, back to Instagram. Continue light activity. Post 1 story per day. Do not add links before 1,000 followers. Otherwise, your account can get restricted or your link removed. After 1,000, use a link in bio page or direct Telegram link. Instagram is relatively tolerant toward Telegram. First Reels, your goal, reach approximately 200 followers. That's when trial Reels usually unlock. If not, go to the Reels upload page manually and post a regular Reel. Within 2 to 3 days, the trial Reels feature should appear. SIM card, now you can insert it. Once trial Reels are available, insert a physical SIM card, not eSIM. Geo doesn't matter. Posting strategy, post 2 to 3 Reels per day. Example schedule. 1 p.m., 5 p.m., 10 p.m. Important, do not post Reels to your main feed until they hit 3,000 to 5,000 views. This keeps your profile looking clean and attractive. Main feed max, 1 post per day. Use photos aesthetic content. If a Reel performs well, move it from trial to main feed. Threads to Instagram growth hack. This is one of the most important parts. Threads is your starting engine. Strategy. Warm up Threads account. Copy viral posts from competitors, rewrite and adapt them. Post 1 to 3 times per day rule if a post doesn't perform. Do not delete it. Do not archive it. Converting traffic when a post goes viral. People will DM you. Reply with something like, "I'm not active here. Let's talk on Instagram. Follow me and I'll message you there." This drives traffic to Instagram. Result you get 200 to 300 followers fast. Unlock trial Reels, start getting views. Extra trick, reply to viral threads, posts with your photo short caption. These replies can get thousands of likes, massive reach examples. 6,000 likes, 10,000 likes, 100,000 plus views. This boosts your account even more. Final flow. Grow Threads, move traffic to Instagram. Gain followers, unlock trial Reels, post content, scale views. If you want to go deeper, check the Telegram link in description. Good luck with your traffic. Stay consistent.